One, two, three. Hi, today I'm going to share my opinion about one of the most popular issues among students, working while studying at the same time. Today, most students over the world have been being engaged in part-time jobs, especially in the developing nations, including Indonesia. The number of students who work and study during college has dramatically increased for over the years. According to a new research from Georgetown University Center on Education and Workforce, more than 70% of college students choose to work while studying at the same time for over 25 years. Some people might view it as negative, while some people view it as positive. There must be reasons which lead them to undertake this commitment, so let's find out together the reasons, the benefits, and the obstacles as well. Nowadays, the work and study habit is becoming more and more popular among students. Some of them are doing it for pure passion only, while for others, it's the only way in which they can survive and afford to study. There are many reasons for which students tend to wish for a working place even if they are still in college, and most of their time is focused on learning. Few of the reasons are additional income, work experience, and a wealthy resume. Okay, there are three benefits, and the first benefit is work experience. It will be great if you can manage to find a job that is relevant to your ongoing studies. Studying and then properly implementing what you have learned will aid you a lot in your future career. Not many students get this amazing opportunity. Moreover, students will learn how to work as a team member and share responsibilities. Students will realize how to compromise with other employees when a current situation comes. And the second benefit is extra money. Most of the students don't have a rich mommy and daddy. Therefore, they cannot cover their daily expenses or pay for their tuition fees. Without a question, working on a part-time job would be the perfect choice for them, especially for those who are not scholarship recipients. And for the last benefit is learn how to manage time. Several years ago, my high school teacher told me this: the busier you are, the better you manage your time. And I guess it's true. Yes, working while studying at the same time will help you prioritize your life in a much more efficient way, even when you are not at work. It will be hard and difficult for the first time, of course, but learning how to balance your responsibilities will help you a lot when you will get into the work field, and making your adjustment period much shorter and smoother. Remember, no pain and no gain. And for the first obstacle is the job may be incompatible with the major you study. Yes, most of the students don't have part-time jobs that is relevant to their ongoing studies. It is totally a disadvantage because you cannot put into practice what you have learned in class. Imagine if you work at a place that is relevant to your ongoing studies, you will be more likely to spend almost all day learning without worrying your academic performance. But there's a bright side to this issue. Having a job that is not relevant to your studies will help you, will enrich your knowledge and increase your skills as well. The second obstacle is balancing time. Students are expected to manage their time well in order to deal with their hectic schedules. In relation to this, they have to be very good at time management and prioritize the important tasks first in order to meet the deadline. Keep in mind that the study is the number one thing to finish. although there are different views on this topic, I would like to state that it's a good idea for students to take up part-time jobs. Why? Because it provides students a sense of maturity and independence, nurturing their soft skills, gaining a valuable work experience at early ages, and also making a valuable connections and relationships. All of these traits will benefit them in the days to come, especially in responding to the realities of life. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this video is useful. I'm Alfaisan. See you next time. Bye bye.